Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming enrollment and securing data. This is crucial. First, back up any local files to Google Drive or external media because the next step wipes the device. Once done, sign out and open the login screen, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus R to launch PowerWash. Select Restart, and when the prompt appears, choose PowerWash to factory reset. This removes user profiles, but not the enterprise lock. So proceed to the next steps to address management removal properly. You now either get the device deprovisioned by the admin or attempt a deeper recovery. Ask the admin to locate the device in Google Admin Console and choose deprovision or wipe device and remove enrollment. That's the cleanest method. If you must reimage, create a USB recovery using the Chromebook recovery utility for the exact model, boot into recovery, and reimage the device. Make sure to test login after reboot. If enrollment persists, the device record still exists in the console and must be removed. You finish by confirming the device boots to the standard consumer setup screen and that it no longer appears in the admin console. If it still shows managed, make sure the admin removed the exact serial number or device ID. Otherwise, ask them to deprovision again or file a Google support ticket. If something goes wrong, check your recovery USB for corruption, confirm network access during enrollment checks, and repeat PowerWash or reimage. These steps solve most stubborn enrollment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.